Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Tecno Hipods H2. These were sent to us from the Tecno company. Thanks to them we will unbox these earbuds for today's video. We will see what quality of the sound do they have and the quality of the build, and we will talk about all of the details in the end of this video. So without losing any time, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. The package of the Tecno Hipods H2 is not that big and is full of information which I personally prefer. You can see and read about these earbuds a lot in just the outside look, even without going in the user manual. Here in the inside we will find the case itself with earbuds inside. Very good quality, it feels solid. We have the user manual, and here we have the charger and some earpieces to change in case you lose one or you want smaller or bigger ones. So let's power on while by opening them up and putting them in our ear. It fits really good, snug enough, and it feels like it's not going anywhere even if you shake your head or like when you are running or whatever type of activities you're doing. To connect the Tecno Hipods H2, you have to go to the Bluetooth, turn it on, press pair new device, and wait for the name to appear here. And here we have the Tecno Hipods H2. Press them, and now they are connected. We can go ahead in the YouTube and play some music and see how they will sound. I can barely hear myself talk, which I always prefer this way. The sound is very good, very clear. The bass is very good. I can hear the sound with very good notes, and I can say that these earbuds are very good. So if you're interested to buy earbuds right now, these are very good ones to buy, and I highly recommend you to go ahead and check Tecno company and the Hipods H2. Let's try some of the function that they have in the right and left earbuds. In the right earbud, to raise the volume, you press once, double tap to pause or play the song, and triple tap to play the next song or the next video. As you can see, I'm raising the volume, triple tap for the next video, and 4 taps to activate the Google Assistant or Siri in case you're using iOS. So these are 4 of the options that we can use in the Hipods H2 with the right earbuds actually. And with the left one, is very similar, but when you press once you lower the volume, twice you can play or pause, like same with the right one. Triple tap you play the previous song, not the next one, and 4 taps again you activate the Google Assistant in case you are using Android. So these are all the information that we have about the Tecno company, Tecno Hipods H2 and all of his options. Let's go ahead and try out with iOS. Similar to the Android, we have to go to the Bluetooth after you pull them out of the case. Turn the Bluetooth on and go all the way down where you can see the new devices, where we have here Tecno Hipods H2. Press it and wait until they are paired like this. It says that are connected. Now we can go ahead and listen some music here in the YouTube. The volume and the sound is the same as in Android, so it doesn't matter what phone you are using. We have the same options. Again, press once to raise the volume, twice to pause and play the video, triple tap to play the next song, and 4 tap now to to activate Siri. The sound, again, as I mentioned before, is coming very good and same as in Android. Also, the Hipods H2 has microphones in both of them, so you can make phone calls and use them while you are making phone calls. Also, you can see here when I'm activating the Google Assistant or Siri, I'm making some comments, and actually it can hear me. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.